Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Pepe video update today. So 8,038, alright, this is the trading price of Pepe right now. And a lot of people think that, oh, Pepe is looking good. Guys, I'm afraid that Pepe is looking very, very bad. Now, number one, today, if Pepe, okay, Pepe is gonna be good. Let's talk about the good, okay? Let's talk about the positive. It's going to be positive if you come back up and take this stop loss, come down, retest, and hold that yellow box. Do you understand that? These are two things that if it happens, that's good. I'm going to repeat again, okay? So today, my throat is just a little bit off, and it's due to the weather changing, and I may sound like Batman right now, so, you know, no jokes. I do actually want to sound like Batman. I want to have that deep voice. If I have the deep voice. Does he really have a deep voice? Anyways, I don't know. But, okay, the first thing is, when you pump up, you take this stop loss. That is good sign number one. And when you take the stop loss there, you come down and you hold this demand box right here. Even if you touch it like this and move back up, that is a completion of a very good sign, okay? Because this is going to be a fake out of a loss of support, okay? Now, at this point of time, if I do zoom out, you can see that this little bit of a pump here has a meaning, okay? And the same way that previously I told you, if you're going to come down to 7,600, that's going to be bad. You did that, you took this stop loss, okay? All right, listen to me. The negative one is that you did actually come down, you took this stop, and now you're moving back up and you're holding this as your, resistance right now, right? And the good is that will be the opposite. You come back, you take that stop, come down and hold this as support. But you're doing the opposite. You came down, you took this, and now you're holding this as resistance. That's the problem. And in the next 16 hours or maybe 17 hours, if you see Pepe making a candle like boom and boom, okay, a candle like that, and you have this red over here, just gonna draw that, so this one red right over there, next to it you got the green, which is actually, oh no, okay, that's gone. But anyways, you have this candle and then you have this candle. So if this candle ends up looking like this, okay, that's known as a shooting star. And you might be looking for one more pump to take the stop loss, and then you finally go to the downside, or just go down from here, okay? So be very, very careful. If this is something you're looking to trade, keep in mind that you do also have a flag here that takes Pepe down there, okay? Now it might take days, it might take 2 days, 3 days. I don't know about it, but eventually what I know is this is looking to go down unless you don't take that stop, back test, and then move to the upside. That's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.